Okay, this is our little video on the composter model. So right now it's all the way down. The compost has been ejected. So to reset the model, I'm going to flip this red arm down. Then I'm going to take this pendulum and move it a little so I can move it over a little. And then I'm going to push up the elevator all the way up. And then I'm going to move this back. And I'm going to latch this out. And then I'm going to lock this. And if I've done that all correctly, then this plunger goes into here and it doesn't stick out any further. And this is engaged, so it's ready to work like a clock. And these tires are off the ground, so they're not going to hit anything. And this part here is far enough from the model, it's going to swing back and forth. So I'm going to put the disc in. And then I'm going to test it with my stopwatch. And when you're first setting up a tournament, you might want to test it with a stopwatch. So I'm going to hit it and do my stopwatch at the same time. So I'm going to go push. And you see that it's ticking. So far it's gone 10 seconds, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's right around 20 seconds it should come out. There is some variation where I find in practice it's more like 19 seconds plus or minus 1 second. There are some times when this can jam. So for example, if this has been damaged in transport, there's a few things that can happen. One is this plunger can be pushed too far in, and this can be pushed too far in, and so it looks like it's going to work, but now when I do it, you'll see that it can't swing because this didn't move far enough and these are too low or too close to the model. So in this case where there's a malfunction, I would count to 20, and then at the appropriate moment I would quick give them the compost disc and put it right there at 20 seconds so they can continue with it. Hopefully though, I would notice when I'm setting up the table that this is broken, and so I would fix this plunger so that it just goes to that corner and stops. And I would fix this pendulum so it's farther out on the end, so it's away from the model. And I make sure these tires are pushed up so they're not going to drag on anything. And then if I reset it at that point, now I have confidence it's probably going to work. So now if we do it, it should tick back and forth. Okay, and so that kind of shows you how if we adjust it correctly, it should work just fine. Okay, thanks for watching.